Hey people, today I'm going to show you how to use one of Tenji's mock-up PSD files. We've created these Photoshop files for you guys to use to put your own logos, your own branding, your own images, whatever on these 3D renders without having to use any sort of 3D programs or anything like that. It's very easy. You want to open up the Photoshop file. We're going to use the curved wall as an example. What you want to do is you just want to locate your in your layers panel down here the smart object called graphic, and we're just going to double click on that, and that will open up your smart object file. Okay, so quite often it's called rectangle, or if we've named it something else, it'll be called that, but basically that's it. So in this panel you can create whatever you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a bit of a design here. I've got my little background here, and you would just design in here as you would normally in Photoshop. Just keep in mind I'm using my old laptop today because it's the only computer I have with this screen capture app on it, so it might be a bit slow. Okay, I just put a logo in there. Right about there somewhere. I'm going to place that. Okay, so I've got a design there that, you know, for this example today, we'll run with that. So what you want to do when you've got your design ready to go, you're just going to simply hit save. Okay, so once you've hit save, you can go back to your original file, and that will be on your product image there. Okay, so again, we can design in here as we would any other sort of Photoshop design. You can draw in there, you can create text, whatever you sort of, you know. Whatever you sort of normally create. And again, hit save. Go back to your original file, and there we go. Okay, so that's as simple as it is. You know, put your logo on here. I've got another one open here that I'll just show you quickly. In a lot of these cases, you'll have, for example, a display like this, where you'll have 1, 2, in this case 1, 2, 3 separate images. So you, for example, here these straight walls, you would just do exactly what we've done in the last example that I just showed you. You may get particular ones like a counter which has 2 sides, in which case you'll have down here in the layers panel, you'll see we've got the counter, we have lights. You know, you can turn them off if you like. See how the lights are turning off. We've got the 2.3 meter wall, which is this one. We've got the tall wall, which was this one. So you can do exactly the same as what we've just done to change the images out on those. But with the counter or any other typical thing which has 2 sides on a 3D plane, I'll just show you how this works. Again, double click on that, it'll open for you, and what we've got here is, you'll see here that this is the front of the counter and this is the side of the counter. So yeah, if I move that, if I take that out, and then I'm going to save that. Well, before I save it, I'll just show you quickly what it was again. So we have the website down the side and this down the front. Alright, I'll save this. Go back and have a look, and you'll see that it's edited. So we've created those planes, you know, with the right angles and everything, so you don't have to create any of the angles or anything like that. Okay. So one more thing that I will show you is we've put in here some backgrounds for you. So you can either choose from just a white background, no background if you want a transparent background, if you want to, you know, place it on something, or we've got, you know, a nice, you know, our most popular background in there. Of course, you can drag and drop any sort of background you want in there. If you want a black background, or you know, a factory background or something like that, you can drag that in there. Just stick it in this layer at the top, in this group, sorry, as the top layer, and it should be done. Okay, and then of course you can save to whatever you like as a JPEG or anything like that from Photoshop, just as you would in Photoshop normally. Okay, thanks guys. These are actually, the reason why I'm showing you these is because we've actually got these for sale on the website at the moment. So if you go to tenji.com.au, you can actually buy these PSDs, so you can, you know, get your own product images up there without having to use the Tenji product images. They're quite affordable. Win-win for all of us. Thanks guys, catch you later.